Hello everyone. So in the last class we discussed the topic the multiplication of integers, right? So when we are multiplying the integers, so we discussed the few points that the product of two positive integers, it is a positive integer, and the product of a positive and one negative integers, so it is a negative integer. The product of two negative integers, it is nothing but positive integers. So this is a main important point we discussed. And also, so we are multiplying the even number of negative integers, so we will get a positive. Whenever we are multiplying the odd number of negative integers, so then we will get the product is negative. So that we learned in the previous class, and we seen the examples related that. So now today we are going to start the exercise 4. So in exercise 4, the first question, it is a fill in the blanks. So it's very simple, just we have to multiply the numbers and we have to write the answers. So see the first question. So minus 100 into minus 6. So here, so minus into minus. So we know that the product of two negative integers. So product of two negative integers, it is nothing but how much? It is a positive integer, right? So minus into minus, so the answer whatever it is plus we will get. So 100 into 6. So 106, so it is nothing but 600. So the answer is plus 600 or 600. Okay. So now see the second question. So minus 3 into dash equals to 3. So here we have to use an appropriate integer. So now see the minus is there here, minus 3. The same 3 we are getting, but here we have a minus, but here we have a plus. So it means, so when we will get the product is plus, if you are multiplying the negative integer with the negative integer, right? So it means whatever the number you are taking, that number definitely it should be a negative integer only. So it means it is minus. So 3, so in 3 tables, so 3 ones are 3. So it means, so the answer is what? Minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 1, it is nothing but plus 3. So minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. So it is plus 3 or just 3 you can say, right? Now see the third one. So 100 into minus 6. So 100 into minus 6, the same. So here we have both the first question, if you see minus into minus, so it is plus. But here what is there? Nothing means plus. So plus into minus, it is nothing but minus. So 100 into 6, it is nothing but 600. So now see the next one. So minus into minus. So minus 20 into minus 10, right? So both are minus. So whenever we multiplied the negative integer with a negative integer, so we will get the product is the positive integer. So 20 tens are. So 20 tens are how much it is? So it is nothing but 200. So now see the last one. So 15 into minus 3. So here it is nothing but, nothing there means plus, right? So plus into minus, it is nothing but minus. So 15 threes are. So how much it is? So 45. So it is nothing but minus 45. So this is the first question of the exercise 4. Okay. So now see the second question. So find the product of the following numbers. So we have to find the product of these all. Okay. So the few 3 or 4 are still there, that you just try afterwards. Okay. So now we will just complete this. See the first question. So 3 into minus 1. So we know the product of a positive integer. So nothing there means we know it is a plus. So plus into minus, it is nothing but minus. So 3 ones are 3. Alright. So first answer, it is 3 into minus 1 is how much it is? Minus 3. Now see the second one. So minus 1 into 225. So here minus into plus. How much it is? Minus. So 1 into 225, the same 225 only we will get. Okay. So what about the next? So minus 21 into minus 30. So 20 minus into minus, first it is plus. So 21 threes are. So 21 threes are how much it is? So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 0 as it is. So it means it is plus 630. Now see the fourth one. So minus into minus, so it is plus. So 1 into 3/16, so it is nothing but 316 only. Now see the fifth one. So minus into minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. So we know that if you multiply 0 to any numbers, we will get the product is 0 only. So it means 0 into how many numbers you take. So it is 0 only. So it's simply you can write 0. So minus 15 zeros are 0. 0 into 18 minus 18, it is nothing but it is also 0 only. Okay. So now see the minus into minus, it is a plus. So plus into plus, so it is nothing but plus we will get. So the product whatever it may be, we will get plus only. Now see. So 12 11s are. So how much you will get 12 11s are. So 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1 and 1 2s are 2. So 1 1s are 1. So it means what is your answer? So 132. So 12 into 11 how much we will get? 132 and 10s is there now. So it is nothing but 1320. So it means 1320 if you multiply this all, and minus into minus it is going to become plus. So understood. Now see the last one. So 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. The first, the plus into minus, it is minus. So minus into minus, it is plus. So you can also remember like this. See here, we have a 2 negative integers. So 2 negative integers means 2 means what? It is an even number. So even number of integers, negative integers, if we have the product, we will get a positive. Same here also. So we have a 2 negative integers. So the product is you will get plus only. So it means now 9 3s are. So it is 27. So what you will get? So 9 3s are 27 into. So what is another number? It is, see. So yeah. So 9 into minus 3. So it is minus 27. Next, what is left here? Minus 6. So now just multiply. So minus into minus, it is plus. 6 7s are. So it is a 42, right? So 4 is there. And 6 2s are 12. So 12 plus 4. So it is 162, right? Okay. So now, so like this we have to find the product of any numbers. Okay. Just simply remember. So you should be careful when you are multiplying a negative integers with the positive integers. Okay. So either the answer is a positive or negative. The multiplication you will do, but the symbol, whatever the sign that product having, that is very important. Okay. So now see the next. Okay, it's very simple, just multiplication. Okay. So you have to multiply the numbers, and the main thing we have to remember that 4 rules, whatever it is, the product of 2 positive integers, the product of 1 negative, 1 positive, and product of 2 negative numbers. Okay, so what it will be, so that all you have to remember. Now see the next bit. Yes, so yeah, so the third question. So I am just reading the question, so try to understand. From that we will write whatever is given. Okay. So a certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at a rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Okay, so what he is saying in the question means, certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So what is the meaning of this? So so see what is saying means room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Now it is a 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, now let's take the time is 9 o'clock. So at 9 o'clock, so the room temperature is how much? It is a 40 degrees Celsius. So now what is saying in the question means, per every hour what will happen means, so 5 degrees, so it is decreasing. So, okay, so lowered from, so he is saying lowered means it is decreasing. So for every hour, so how many degrees it is decreasing? So 5 degrees Celsius. So 5 degrees Celsius is reducing, okay, the temperature. So the 9 o'clock it is a 40 degree means, so 10 o'clock what will happen? So it is going to become, so 40 minus 5, it is nothing but 35 degrees Celsius. So at 11 o'clock what will happen? So once again 5 degrees reduce. So it means 30 degrees Celsius. Next 25 degrees. Next hour it is 20. So like that it is decreasing, right? So now what is the question he is asking? What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So it means after 10 hours he is asking now. So okay, so now what is given now? So we just write